Hey everyone, from today we're going to start solving DSA problem. We'll do solve one problem every day, and sometime we can try one or more. So from the first day, means today, we'll start from array problem. Like today we'll solve an array problem from easy to difficult. So we will try to make a habit of solving DSA problem every day. That's why we are going to start this series of solving DSA every day. So today's first problem. So we will try to make like easy problem initial days, and after that we'll solve difficult problems, difficult and more difficult problems. So that's it. So we'll filter in LeetCode array, and we'll filter like easy to hard. So we'll solve most easiest problem in DSA. So first easy problem is 2 sum. Let's see the problem, what it is. In this problem it says that given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indicates of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, so in this problem there says that we have given an array and a target number, so we have to add two numbers from that array and get that target, and we have to return the index of this two number of the array. So that's the problem. So like let's discuss it more. Like we are given an array like that 2 7, let's put that example like 2 7 11 15, and the target is 9. So we have to like add the numbers from this array, add two numbers, so we have to get that target 9. So here what we can do, so if we add it from like 2 and 15, so it's not 2 plus 15 is not like 2 plus 1 5 is equals to 9, it's not. So we can do like 7 plus 11 also not 9. So what's the like we can start like add two numbers like 0 like 2 and 7. This obviously 2 plus 7, yeah, it is equals to 9. So like that we have to return this index position 2 plus 7. The index position is 0 and 1, so we have to return that number like 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So that's the output we sort that array. So short begin. We sorted the array, then using two pointer method, and I is equals to 0 and j is equals to nums of size 1. Then we can create a like array for returning the value vector int and while took a loop I less than j. Yeah, obviously it will be I less than j if equals not working here. So if nums of I plus nums of j equals to target, then ans dot pushback, like we need to push back the index number I, then ans dot pushback j, then break the loop. Then if the number is greater than, else if nums of I, nums of j is greater than target. Then obviously if it's greater than target, because it is sorted greater than target, then we have to minus from the end position, means j, say minus minus, because j is the end of the position. Else if obviously it will be less than, if it's less than, then we have to I plus plus. If I plus plus, then we will get the bigger value like I plus plus. So that's the problem. Let's try to run. So we have to return. Yeah. And ans. So we have to break. Yeah, we break already. Let's try to run this. Oh, we get 2 cases right and 1 case is wrong. So in that case we should get 1 2, but we're getting 0 2, and remaining cases it's running well. Okay, we'll try to find out this. Yes guys, I try to find out that I use ChatGPT and many things, and from that I get to know that these problems need to solve that like hash map, and it's not the solution because we sorted the array. So we need that index position. If we sorted the array will be changed, array or vector, whatever. So for that we need to use hash map. So still now I don't know hash map. I'm trying to learn future. So I have an idea. I'll solve this problem with a different method. Okay, let's comment out this. Yeah. So the different method is using like 2 loops. Like for int I is equals to 0, I less than, it's end of the size, and this sorting also didn't need. If we sort, the array will be changed, so we can't return that array index. It will be wrong, obviously. And is equals to size less than n I plus plus. So again we need to count the loop. Say is equals to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. What we'll do, j is equals to use target, then return answer. So for that we just create a vector and ans what the answer will be, pushback ans dot pushback I j. So just to break the loop, else it will be written error, and return the output. So let's try to run this. Yeah, we're getting that answer for all the cases, all the different cases. That's it. Let's try to submit that. Yes, we finally get that output, but the running time is obviously higher, like not efficient code, because we use big of n time the time complexity is high. So next time we'll try to solve this, because now we are beginner. So after a few days, obviously we can solve this problem much and better way, efficient ways. This is now. After that, for future updates, please subscribe and like the video if you like that, and I'll try to make like my conversation and communication skills better in the few next days. And maybe it's my initial video, that's it's not perfect that much. Thanks for having patience. Thank you.